tower. Oh, hit! Friendly, coming in, friendly. I am not an enemy, do not shoot me.
Oh wait, you're an enemy?
Thank you!
Where's my speed load? Oh, there. Up. Oh, okay. Dallas! Where are these guys? Oh shit! We got BBs flying in right here, watch it. Dallas, I'm moving in behind you. Watch out, ready? Coming in.
Yeah, they're shooting this.
Oh, tits.
Watch out.
I got it. You're fogging.
Fuck them out.
Here, I'll cover you. Okay, well. I hit him. I had to. Oh, you were hit.
One on the tower!
Tell me when you're done so I can go in. Huh? Tell me when you're done so I can go in. Out. I'm dry. Reloading. Oh, that sounds nice.
Sexy.
Shit up.
Oh. Right in the back of the head.
Hit!
Yeah, fire. Side, God damn it.
Dallas, I got hit in the head. Woo! Ow! Yeah. Definitely not forgetting that high cap ever again. Okay, here we go.
Hey, Mark.
Run! Oh! I fucking accidentally shot my gun.
I'm not firing right now. I'm out of ammo.
Holy shit.
Someone shoot these guys. Right down.
I'm telling you, I think I hit him.
Anyone got anybody? Anyone got any?
Let me know when I can run.
Hey! Hey, stay back.
No way.
Where's my freaking holster? Damn it.
Fuck, feed, damn it.
There we go. That is why we use safety. Damn it. I hate this holster. Both having problems here. There we go. Do you need ammo?
I might.
Here.
If this.
I have speed loader in this fucking thing somewhere. I hate my life.
Leave it.
Here you go.
Alvin, cover up. Watch your left, Alvin. Watch your left. Hey, in the building! All the way down.
Right there.
Somebody needs to press the building down the valley looking fucking thing.
Coming in behind you.
Hey, sniper on top of this house.
Go.
I'm gonna try to. Right there. Hold on. Fuck. I'm gonna run up right here, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Don't bunch up. One grenade kills us all. Don't bunch up.
I'm just gonna. Okay, no, this is not very safe.
Make your move.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Got one, he's moving up. Holy crap! Who's shooting at us? See if I can move up. Oh, it's slippery right here. Stop, they're all dead. Oh, ho, ho. Daniel, here it is. Daniel, come here, check this out. Hey, Daniel. Woo! That has no timing to it whatsoever. Huh? No. Surprisingly. Oh, God. Okay, we'll have to fix that up then. Oh, he's there. Oh, hit. Ow. Hey, friendly coming in, friendly. Oh. Friendly. Am I good to come in?
Punch it, yeah.
Okay, sorry. Fucking thunder bees, dude.
Hey, let the runners know to go. Okay, wait. Let's coordinate this. The second that they go,
Hey, Dallas, look what I got. I threw the thunder bee.
I heard it.
Yeah, it blew up the right before. Are there no response now, or are you just chilling?
No battery, man.
Oh, it sucks. Do you need one? Oh shit, wait, never mind. Here, I'll let the, if you need to borrow one, I'll let you use one, because I got like 5.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, Jesus. Oh, okay. Hey, moving up. Moving up. Whew. Oh, nice. Got him, guys.
I'll go back in.
Right side of the building. Oh, hit. Oh, shit. I got one. Oh, of course my holster is broken. Nice. I got someone. Hey, where's the flag?
right in front of the flag, right in front.
I'm out. Last mag.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Watch out.
Oh,
Move your gun.
we should have said that. I always do that. I'm moving up, Dallas.
Yeah, me too.
Hey guys, right in the building. Thunder Bee with a perfect here, okay.
Hey guys, one in the building. One on the right side, outside the building.
Yep. I'm covering the one. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Watch that right side.
Yep.
Can you stay?
Yo, Nick, watch out. Guy on the right side of the building.
Can you stay low? Stay high.
Okay. Hey, sorry about that, man. Didn't mean to shoot you. This is intense, dude. I love this.
I know.
Oh, he's running.
In the building.
Yo, I got him.
Go in the building.
Right in the building.
Put it in.
Right in the building, right here.
Got you too. Right there.
I got this up over here, right? Ah! What is he banging? Hey, come here. Guys, right here. Just go up. He's a dummy. Oh, okay. Oh, this is fucking scary. Dual wheel this fucker. This is too risky. Oh, check this out. No. Bang, bang! Bang, bang! Got him! Got the guys in the building. Got him. Okay, guys in the building are cleared. There might be some more. I only saw 2 of them. There's one laying on the ground, one in the corner.
All right, listen. You guys. Oh man.
Nice! Alright, I'm on my last mag right now, so this is fun.
I got ammo.
Right side corner of the building right across from ours.
He's pulling it through the box here.
Okay, I hope he doesn't move up. Oh, come here. I'm completely out. Nice. Okay.
Where is he?
Oh shit, where's that guy? Oh, I'm moving back. I'm moving up.
I don't know. Is that a lot, right?
Sorry.
Huh? It's close to
I
me.
shot you. I just
Building left side of the lane, behind it. No man.
Dallas, speed loader. I need the speed loader. I'm completely out. I need the speed loader.
Right over there. Huh?
Speed loader.
Right over there.
What?
Right over there. It's just about empty, so.
Hey, it'll do.
Right over there. I see something.
Oh, that one. Is that the game?
Oh, it's one hit, one kill, dude. Nice. I kept hitting the sniper from here, but he didn't call it hit. Yeah, I know. They're tough to
Here, Dallas, I'm put this in your dump pouch. Oh, hit! What? I don't know. I got hit. Yeah, I'm gonna sit out now. Hey, do any of you guys have a speed loader?
My little brother does.
Do you know where he is?
He's somewhere out
Do any of you guys have a speed loader I can use real quick? Oh, where's that one guy? Oh, okay. Doesn't matter.